Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews brought to you by hollywoodfrodo.com. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing the ChangM 25 watt RGBCW Wi-Fi smart floodlight. Now, this is going to mark a change in my reviews. Instead of doing a really long, lengthy review with lots of different footage, this is just going to be a short opinion review, and then I'll have separate videos that will have an unboxing, different example footage of the video, setup, a video showing the setup, all that stuff. All that's going to be separate videos. In this video, I'm just going to tell you what I think about this after using it and what I like about it, the features that I think you need to know, and then you can watch those other videos if you want to learn more about it. So this is by a company called ChangM, and this is awesome. It comes in a 2-pack. It is 25 watts. It is LED. It is a floodlight, so it is for outdoor use, but you can also use it indoors. But if you want to use it outdoors, it is weatherproof, so it's great for landscape lighting or good to use inside for interior lighting if you want to do just accent lighting. What's awesome about it is it has a whole set of LEDs dedicated to white, so you can do warm white or soft white, as well as a whole nother set of LEDs dedicated to the colors, which allows you to do pretty much any color of the rainbow. You can get any color you want out of this, including cool white or a warmer white or anywhere in between. All of that is controllable in the app, of course, but you can also control it using your Echo device or your Google Home device, which is just a bonus and a plus. Each one of these, and again, it's a 2-pack, each one of these has a Wi-Fi chip built into it, so it connects to Wi-Fi using the Smart Life app, and then you're able to control it from your phone no matter where you are in the world, as well as, like I said, you can control it by voice using your Echo devices. I love this guy. 25 watts is really bright, so I was able with 2 of these to light up basically the entire front of my house using the 2 of these floodlights. But then also, I'm debating on whether I want to use them out front or use them inside, because inside they work really good for accent lighting. In fact, they put off enough light that when I have these 2 lights on as accent lighting behind a chair in the corner and behind a speaker in the other corner, they actually kind of light up the whole room, or they turn the whole room the color of the light if I'm using color. And you can watch the sample footage videos and you'll be able to see that. These are very, very bright. 25 watts is awesome. So I love these. I think they're great. They work really well. They're easy to connect using the Smart Life app. They connect just like all other Wi-Fi smart devices do through the Smart Life app, which is really easy to use. Easy to connect that to your Echo device or your Google Home device, and then you can fully control these by voice as well. Again, it is by a company called ChangM. It is available on Amazon. Now, in the description below, I'm going to have a link to the product on Amazon, so you can click that and jump over to Amazon and read other people's reviews, see what people have said about it, pick some up for yourself. I'll also have links in the description to the other videos. So if you want to see specifically footage of me using this as landscape lighting, or me using it as accent lighting, or the setup video, or the unboxing, I'll have videos of all that stuff as well. All those are down there too. So you can click those links, jump over there, and check those out. Anyway, that's it for this review part of the video, or review video. Just letting you know that I think it's a great product and one I highly recommend if you're in the market for something like this. Yeah, that's it for until the next one. Don't forget to click that like button, share this video with anyone who you think might be interested in this product. Subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews, and don't forget the links to all the independent videos or separate videos showing this thing in action are all down there in the description, so check those out if this is something you're interested in. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so have a great day.